Succulent fruits. A fruit is a fully developed and ripened ovary, seed-producing part of a plant's reproductive organs. Fruits may be succulent or dry. Succulent fruits are fleshy and brightly colored, making them attractive to animals, which eat them and so disperse the seeds away from the parent plant. The wall, pericarp, of a succulent fruit has three layers: the outer exocarp, the middle mesocarp, and the inner endocarp. These three layers vary in thickness and texture in different types of fruits and may blend into each other. Succulent fruits can be classed as simple, derived from one ovary, or compound, derived from several ovaries. Simple succulent fruits include berries, which typically have many seeds, and roots, which typically have a single stone or pip, for example, cherry and peach. Compound succulent fruits include aggregate fruits, which are formed from many ovaries in one flower, and multiple fruits, which develop from the ovaries of many flowers. Some fruits, known as false fruits or pseudocarps, develop from parts of the flower in addition to the ovaries. For example, the flesh of an apple is formed from the receptacle, the upper end of the flower